Hello students, welcome to question hour session of Ajmal IS Academy. Here we will be discussing 5 MCQs from the daily newspaper The Hindu and Indian Express. So let's start the session. Our first question is on Overseas Mobility Bill 2025. Statement 1 says, the bill seeks to replace the Immigration Act of 1983. This is a correct statement. Statement 2 says, the bill purports stricter penalties specially for crime against women and children. This is an incorrect statement as the bill have diluted these provisions. Statement 3 says, the bill expands legal protection by clearly defining offences related to human trafficking. This is an incorrect statement as the bill is completely silent on the issue of human trafficking. So answer here becomes only one, that is C. Let's move on to the second question. The second question is regarding the best description of GREP 4. Statement A says long-term urban transport reform. Statement B says emergency response to severe air pollution. Statement C says permanent restructuring of emission standards. And statement D says fiscal disincentivization of vehicle ownership. Here the correct answer is statement B, that is emergency response to severe air pollution. Let's move on to the third question. The third question is regarding the Content Syndication Policy 2025. Statement 1 says it is drafted by Prasar Bharati, which is India's government-owned national public broadcaster. This is a correct statement. Statement 2 says the policy aims to monetize content produced by Doordarshan and Akashvani. This is a correct statement. Statement 3 says the policy excludes archived national and regional content from being monetized. This is an incorrect statement as the policy have exclusively included this regional and national content that were archived. So the answer here becomes 1 and 2, that is A. Let's move on to the fourth question. The fourth question is regarding the term Dhruv 64. Statement A says radio collar for wildlife tracking. Statement B says indigenous microprocessor designed by CDEC. Statement C says navigation and guidance system for launch vehicles. Statement D says indigenously developed twin engine multi-role ALH. Here the correct answer is statement B, that is indigenous microprocessor designed by CDEC. Let's move on to the fifth and the final question. The fifth and the final question is regarding health security, say national security cess. Statement 1 says the cess is proposed to be imposed on pan masala sector. This is a correct statement. Statement 2 says the cess will be levied only after GST compensation cess is phased out. This is a correct statement. Statement 3 says a cess refer to the additional fee charged over and above the base price of a product or service. This is an incorrect statement as cess is an additional tax. So answer here becomes 1 and 2, that is A. That's all for today, and you can find all this question in our social media platform. Thank you.